We'll now continue with the Yang style short form. From here, move the weight onto the right leg. So from this, where the weight is on this leg, now we're going to shift it here. So we keep the body still, we just move from one foot to the other. Then this leg will be empty and we place the foot. Be careful not to bring it in. Place the foot without any weight. Now, slowly move your weight onto the front leg and raise your hand in ward off. Most of the weight for the beginner, 70% if possible, is on the front leg. The left hand is in front of the chest with the palm facing the center of the chest. The right hand is opposite your left knee. So what we're doing is, we're doing what we did in this exercise, except we're stepping with it. Okay? So my arm stays in front of my chest, but my body turns. So we don't want this. Okay, stay in this leg. Don't turn yet. Place your foot. Now. Yeah, just a little bit more. Like this. Relax your hand. Yes, good. And relax the shoulder. So she's brought her foot in too close, so the 2 feet are lined up. There's no shoulder width gap. She lifted her elbow deliberately. I'll stand on this side so I can keep an eye on it. Okay, his hand should be further out and elbow down. Okay, so the foot is slightly off center, should be straight. Michelle's foot should be a little bit straighter and a little bit further. Okay, turn. Now her elbow should be pointing to the ground. The point of the elbow should be down. Otherwise it disengages from the center line by lifting her shoulder. So we want the elbow down. It's known as the immovable elbow. So that although the arm is coming up, the shoulder is pressing in towards the center. So we have a strong structure here. If it's like this, it's weak, easy to lift up. But if it's down, then it's cohesive. The whole body is joined together, difficult to lift. So here, the knee is slightly out, which means that the foot on the inside is coming off the ground. So when she turns her waist, it's pushing the knee out because she's not releasing the tendons in the hip joint. So this must be slightly in. As you can see, the foot moves when the knee comes in, and the inside of the foot, in fact, the whole foot is flat on the ground. Yes, here as well. Foot isn't straight. Do it again. Again, because he's going to cut that bit out.
I see.